Hello, my dear students. Welcome once again to Mr. Amit's maths class. Let's see what is there for today to learn. Okay, first we will study the four song, the table of four. To remember this song, it goes like this. See. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 28 and 32, 36, and last comes 40. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. Did you get it? Or you want me to repeat it once? Okay, I'll repeat it once again. Listen. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 28 and 32, 36, and last comes 40. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. Understood? Now you have to do this again. Repeat the poem again, and remember the four table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32, 36, and last comes 40. Oh, let's all count together. Count by fours. Perfect. So that's the four song which you have to remember, okay? See, the 5 table is pretty easy. Just open up your fingers and you have to skip count by 5. It's pretty easy. So let's go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You have to skip count by 5. You have to add 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You want me to say this in Arabic? Let me try this in Arabic. Kamsa, Aishara, Kamstash, Aishirin, Kamsa wa Aishirin, Talatin, Kamsa wa Talatin, Arba'in, Kamsa wa Arba'in, Kamsin. Easy? So that's the 5 table. So today you will go home and remember the 4 table and 5 table. Yes? Yes. Thank you. See, tables are very important. If you know the tables, then you can do multiplication, division very easily, which will come in the next chapter. Okay. So I'm preparing you from today only that remember the multiplication tables. All right. So what did we learn today? We learned to estimate the sum and difference using rounding. So we have to estimate. Now what does estimate mean? What does sum mean? What is difference? Rounding, you know, we did in the last chapter. Excuse me. So what is estimate? Basically, estimate also means rounding. Rounding. Estimate means rounding. So you don't want the exact answer. You want approximate answer, close answer. Like for example, I give you the number 199. If you round it to the nearest 100 place, it will be very close to 200. So that is called a estimate, rounding, approximate, close answer. Okay, so that's what is rounding all about. I hope you remember rounding. We did it in the last chapter. We drew this hill and we discussed if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the car will go backward. You remember? The car will go backward. Whereas if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if the car is stuck here, then the car will go forward. So if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the car goes forward. If the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the car goes backward. If we go backward, we round down. If we go forward, we round up. So if we round up, we increase the number, we add 1. And when we round down, we don't add 1. We write the number same. Yes, so that's how we do rounding. I hope you remember rounding. Then what does sum mean? Sum means plus. Very simple. Sum means addition. Plus, zayed. And what does difference mean? Difference means naqas, minus. Simple? Okay. So estimate means, gul, estimate means rounding. Sum means plus. Difference means minus, naqas. Let's understand the concept of estimation. Okay, we have to add 921 plus 691. How do we do that? Using rounding. They will tell you the rounding place. Like in this case, the rounding place is hundreds place. Hundreds place. Can you see the rounding place? They will give you the rounding place, okay? So let's say the rounding place is 100 place. What we do? We always check the number to the right. We check the number to the right. What is the number to the right? 2. If the number to the right is 2, we round up or we round down. What we do? We round down. The car goes backward. We write the same number. So we write the same rounding number. So we write 9. And then to the right of the rounding number, we put all zeros. Suffer, suffer, suffer. Okay. Next. Check this number. It is rounding number is 6. Check the number to the right. Check the number to the right. It is 9. If it is 9, the car go forward or backward. Remember, the car go forward. Yes, if the car goes forward, we do plus 1 to the rounding number. Plus 1 to the rounding number. So 6 becomes 7. And to the right, we put all zeros. Okay. So we do plus 1 to the rounding number. Now we add 900 and 700, which is pretty easy. The answer is 9 plus 7, 16. Sitash, 1600 is the answer. 1600 is the answer. So that's a simple concept of rounding and adding, also called estimation. Now let's do some questions from your book. I want you to go to page 79 of your book 1. 79 of book 1. And let's do this question. The Central School District needs 5,481 folks. So these are folks. This is a folk. They want these many folks, 5,481 folks. And 2,326 spoons. So this is a spoon for a school function. About how many forks and spoons will they need all together? All together means what? All together. Total plus add. So all together yani plus. Okay. So let's start. The question also says estimate this and round to the hundreds place. So they say round it to the hundreds place. Okay. Which number is in the hundreds place? Number 4. Check the number to the right now. Check the number to the right. The number to the right is 8. 8. The car goes forward or backward? If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The car moves forward. If the car moves forward, we do plus 1 to the rounding number. So plus 1 to the rounding number. So the rounding number is 4. I do plus 1 to this. This becomes 5. I do plus 1 to this. So 5, 5, 8, 1. That becomes 5, 5. And this is the rounding number 5, which is plus 1. And then to the right, we put 0, 0. Understood? I repeat once again. See, your rounding number, the number is 5481, and this is your rounding number. To the right we have 8. Since 8 is there, we move forward, we do +1 to the rounding number. Excuse me, so 4 becomes 5. Understood? Check the next number now. The next number is 2326, and the rounding is to be done at the hundreds place. The next number is 2. If it is 2, we move backward. We don't do +1. We don't do +1. We write the rounding number same. So we get 2, 3, and to the right of rounding number, put all zeros. Now if you add this, this is very easy. Zayed, safar, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. And 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer is about 7,800. About, approximately, close to 7,800. It is not the exact answer, but it is very close answer, so that you can talk about, okay, we require 7,800 spoons and forks in our school. Okay, understood? Let's go to the next one. Okay, now this is pretty much clear. Estimate, round, so both mean the same. Each number to the given place value. Okay, in the first number, you see the first question, the place value given is 100. So check the number in the hundreds place. 4 is in the hundreds place. The next number is 5. So we do +1 or we don't do +1? We do +1. So if we do +1 to the rounding number, this becomes 1, 5, and to the right of the rounding number we put zeros. Okay, good. Also do for the second number, also do the same thing for the second number. This is in the hundreds place, 3 is in the hundreds place. Check the number to the right. It is 3. If it is 3, we go backward. We write the same number. So we write 3, and to the right we write 0, 0. Now when you do plus, it is pretty much easy. The answer is 1,800. So that we can do the plus at home. It's very easy. The next question, again hundreds place. Hundreds place. So which number is in the hundreds place? 8. The next number, the number to the right is 7. If the number to the right is 7, we do +1 to the rounding number. So I do +1 to 8. This becomes 2,900. And for the next number, the rounding number is 4. The number to the right is 2. So we don't do +1, we write the same rounding number. The rounding number will be 4 and 0, 0. So when you add them, you get 2,900 plus 400. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 4, 13, talatash, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is talata. So it is 3,300. Okay. The same thing is for the next number. It is tens place. Tens place. Tens place is 4. And the next number is 6. So you add 1. 2,750. And here you have tens place is 2. The next number is 9. So you add 1. 1,530. And then you have to do minus, nakas. So it becomes 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's it. So that's how you do rounding, and then plus and minus. Rounding, you know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes forward, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 goes backward. So you round it and you do plus and minus. I hope you understood this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.